Hi everyone. For this video, I will be discussing about Unit 2.3 and 2.4. It talks about the components of vectors or vector, then vector addition using the analytical method. Yung previous natin, na last natin na topic is it's all about vector addition using graphical method, wherein I just let you draw the different vectors, then identify lang yung resultant vector or yung final na displacement from the starting point to the end point. But for this one, it's all about calculations. So before I'll start with this one, please make sure that while you are watching this, you have with you your scientific calculators because I won't be showing you the calculator in here, but you're gonna try to compute the different problems or the different things that will be needed to compute. Then, i-counter check natin siya kung ano yung pinakita ko dito is tama sa inyo. So, if in case na iba yung sagot nyo sa sagot ko dito, meaning to say, there's a problem on your way of inputting the values in your scientific calculator. Pero, di din natin pwedeng i-cancel out ang possibility that I might have mali. It must have been my fault kung bakit iba yung sagot natin. Okay? So just make sure you have with you your scientific calculators. If you have questions throughout this video or at the end of this video, feel free to message me because my previous students always do that one. So I cater messages no matter what time of the day because I will just answer them kapag ready na ko mag-answer sa messages. Okay? So to start with, we have here the components of vector. Shortcut na nako siya ha. I already screenshot the important points in your study guide. So we have here this one. So if you are familiar, and I am really hoping for the answer na yes, this is what we call as the SOHCAHTOA or the Pythagorean theorem. So magamit natin siya dito. It's because when we plot our vectors, it can somehow form triangles. So we have here, for example, di ba, we have yung na-learn nyo is that itong positive y-axis that will serve as our north. Then ito, this is our east. But in the Cartesian plane, those are the positive x and then the y-axis. Then, if you are gonna plot, like for example, this one, isang vector lang ito. So, from this center, papunta dito sa arrowhead niya, yan yung magiging vector. And it is usually represented by A or any letters of the alphabet or depending on the problem that you have. Then, if you can see in here, ito pa. So, we have here this one. This will show our theta or our angle. Kasi para malaman mo na how far or how elevated should be our vector from 0 degrees or from the east side. Then, if you can see in here, this dotted lines, ito, it will show that this is our imaginary na AY or like it's the opposite man na siya dira. Basta mura siya gi box siya gi-continue siya para makita ninyo nga once we say AY kay dili magud siya sa y-axis naka-point. So kung ano yung sukat dito is still the same with the measurement on this side. Same also with this one. Kung ano yung sukat dito, it's the same with the measurement on this side. Okay? So for a quick review, we have here, since this is our vector, the longest line in the triangle that will serve as our hypotenuse. Our opposite, or this one is labeled as opposite because it is opposite to the angle. Sorry. So you need to know where's the angle. Then, since opposite na yun siya, automatic, yung katabi niya is adjacent or adjacent. Kaya gani gitawag siya adjacent or adjacent kaya that's the English of katapad. Katapad siya sa angle. Then, we have here, if we're gonna look at the SOHCAHTOA, we have here the sine theta, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So, if you can see in here, since ito si opposite, so magiging AY over A. Cosine theta, that's adjacent over hypotenuse, magiging AX over A. Tan theta, that's opposite over adjacent, that's AY over AX. There's still no need to copy this one ha, no need kasi may summary yan siya in your study guide for you to be really familiar with it since I am really trying to incorporate the study guide para mas magsigita gamit sa Quipper. Sa last ana inyo ang study guide na nakabutang dadto aside sa key points, key formulas. So ito yung example, dito ko nagkuha. So we have here ito. Ito yung mga important things. So you have there first formula ha. If we are looking for the AX, the formula is A cosine theta. So meaning to say, yung x component ha, ano daw kahaba yung x component yung sa x-axis. So that's just A cosine theta. So AX is the x component of the vector. A is the magnitude of the vector, what is given. Theta is the angle measured, take note, from the positive x-axis. So, gitudloan na tamo nga, pag 110 gani, nya wala siya mga south of west, so on and so forth, meaning to say it came from positive x-axis or sa east. Then, we also have here, kung merong ax, meron tayong ay. So, that's ay is equals to a sine theta. AY is the y component, same pa rin, vector si A. Theta is the angle measured from the x-axis if we are looking for the vertical line or katong vertical component niya. Then, we also have what we call as the resultant vector, katugong R sa graphical. So, pwede na siya A. So, may ganitong formula. A is equals to ax squared plus ay squared. Take note ha, dili na siya A, dako na A. Like, it should not be written like this ha, like A. Tapos, ana na x. No, it should not be like that. But, it should be written as A subscript na x. Then, squared plus ay squared. Then, square root nila. Then we have here whatever looking for the angle. So in looking for the angle, we have here the theta is equals to shift tan, shift tan, reverse tan multiplied by ay over ax. So theta is the angle, kung ano yung angle ng ating resultant vector. Ax is the x component of the vector. Ay is the y component of the vector. So, another i-take note dito. In your scientific calculator, for you to get tan negative 1, dapat i-press muna ang shift, then tan. Kana ha? Basta naagay ning negative 1, it should be shift, tapos tan. Now, let's proceed to our practice sample. Alright. We have here our practice sample questions or nalagyan mo na siya sa study guide ng mga example. So, first is a car has a displacement of 750 meters, 45 degrees north of west. What are the components of the displacement vector? If it's asking about the components of the displacement vector, ibig sabihin lang yan, hinahanap niya lang yung AX at saka AY. That's it lang ha. Wala siya laing ginapangita. Pangita lang niya ang AX at saka AY. So, I'm gonna move this one so that I can start answering. So, ito yung magiging new pattern nyo in answering. So, assume na na-copy na to siya. Pwede siya ma-move kaayo. So, always start with the given. There's no need for you to write the word given. I just want to see that you have written here displacement, no? So our displacement, A ang ating i-represent dyan. That's 750 meters. Then, sabi doon, theta, wait lang, verify sa nako. Angle is 45 degrees. That's 45 degrees north of west. Take note ha, in our in our formula kanina, it states there, the angle should be coming from the positive x-axis. Ang sabi dito, north of west. Meaning to say, 45 degrees is not yet our final answer. So how are we gonna convert that one? So if you're gonna look at our, for example, this is our direction, di ba sabi dyan, north of west. So the possible answer is, nandito lang yan siya nakaplot. So that's just north of west. So since it is west, so it's from west going to north, so pag ganyan siya. Wait lang, I'm gonna erase this one, hindi siya clear. Okay. So sabi dyan, it's from west going to north. So that's 45 degrees. Then ang sabi sa definition ni theta, it should be coming from the positive x. So dapat ito. So ang question niyan, what is the angle from this positive x papunta dyan? So what are we gonna do? Ano ang dapat natin gawin? All you have to do is just to minus 180 with 45 degrees. Sorry, mali. So I'm gonna erase it first. I forgot to write the degree sign. So again, that's 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. Nganong 180 degrees man? So kailangan ni siya og murag analysis diri na part. So 'di ba we know that from this point to this point, that's 180. However, na-consume na yung 45 degrees na dito na point. So, meaning to say, 180 minus 45 degrees. So, our final na angle dito is 135 degrees. So, ito yung magiging final nyo na angle. Okay, I hope we're clear with that one. Then, okay, ma-move na gid siya finally. Let's proceed with the formula. So, ang formula natin, we are looking for the x and y component. So, ax is equals to a cosine theta. Write the formula first. Then, substitute. We have 750 meters cosine. Oh, word na lang na cosine. So, 750 meters cosine, pila to? 135 degrees. Then, ito yung kinda easiest part depending on the type of cycle you have. May mga cycle na pwedeng idiretso na siya na cosine 135 degrees multiplied with 750 or pwede po 750 multiplied with cosine 135 degrees. So, this is the portion na pwede nyo i-pause mo na yung video so that you can explore kung sa jud ang tama na way sa pag-input og cosine 135 sa inyong cycle. Basta, for this one, sa mga magmano-mano og solve, like kunin mo na yung cosine 135, you need to get the 6 decimal places so that we will have the same answer with those na kayang idiretso ang equation sa cycle. So, ang iyang 6 decimal places, we have negative 0.707106. Wait lang, let me check. So, cosine 135. Okay, so tama. So, that's negative 0.707106. Then, sa mga nagmano-mano ha, after that, multiply 750 with this one, then you will have the answer na kailangan i-box. Answer is negative 530.33 meters. Why is it negative? Ano na po ni negative? Meaning lang ana is makita nimo ang AX niya didto sa negative x-axis. Okay, so box the answer. We're not yet done since components man daw, so kailangan merong AY. So for our AY, formula natin is AY is equals to A sine theta, then substitute 750 meters sine 135 degrees. So to those na imano-mano gihapon para makuha ang answer, so we have 0.707106. So if you're gonna use these six decimal places in that way, we will have the same answer na 530.33 meters. So this is the answer to the question. Now, what are the components of the vector? Oh, by the way, I just want to remind everyone that I do not need for you to give me the statement form God or the description that the AX is negative 530, AY is 530. I'm into the shortcut good or straight to the point na kind of answer. I don't need your statements because your box final answer is already good for me. Okay? I hope we are clear with that. So let's go back with problem number 2. In problem number 2, it said there, a vector located in the second quadrant has an x component of negative 80 meters at an angle of 20 degrees, as shown in the figure below. Oh, hindi ko na-include yung figure. Find the magnitude of the vector and its y component. So yung figure, you can also check it in your study guide. Basta kani ang figure niya. So, ito daw yung vector. Then, 20 degrees is nandito na side. Basta ka na. Nadiraan na side. So, murag, ang iyahang angle, it's 20 degrees west of north. So, from north, papunta siyang west. Find the magnitude of the vector and its y component. So, if you're gonna look in here, in number 1, hinahanap si AX at saka si AY. Number 2, it's looking for A and then a y. Okay? So let's try to answer. First thing that we're gonna do is to always write the given. No need to write the word given ha. Bantay lang na magbutag given. Ay, pero okay ra pod. Pero di lang ko gana na-apply statement for. So, sabi doon, our angle is 20 degrees. Ang problema na po nato, wait lang, kaniman tong drawing. Ana, tapos, nandito yung angle. Ano daw yung final theta niya coming from this part? So, the answer will be, if this one to this part is 90 degrees, that's 90 degrees. So, ito is 20. All you have to do is to add 20 degrees. Answer is 110 degrees. That's our final theta for this one. Then, it's part of the given. AX is equals to negative 80 meters. Then, lagyan natin yung mga unknown ha. The unknown are AY and then CA. Okay. So, before we can find A, meron man tayong given na AX, no? We can find A if we are gonna use the AX na formula. So, start tayo kay AX. So, meron tayong AX is equals to A cosine theta. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-start kay AY. It's because AY is unknown, A is unknown. So, dalawa na silang unknown, so we cannot go further na. So, for this one, let's derive muna the formula. I want you to show the derivation. So, we need to, I don't know the term. Basta kailangan mawala si cosine theta. And all we have to do is to divide both sides with cosine theta. So, divide with cosine theta. Cross out, cancel out, cancel out. So, our derived formula is A is equals to AX over ay mali. AX over cosine theta. Wait lang. Cosine theta. Then, we can already substitute. Substitute it with negative 80 meters over cosine theta ay cosine 110 degrees. Pwedeng i-arrow lang po ha. This is for those na kailangan pag yun isa-isa og input. But I want you to substitute, really substitute. So we have there negative 0.342020. So our final answer for this one is A is equals to 233.90 meters. Take note, we are looking for A, therefore you need to round it off to two decimal places. So A is equals to 233.90 meters. So we got it already. So let's proceed naman with AY. So dito ko na lang isulat si AY. So formula for AY is AY is equals to A sine theta. There's no derivation involved since we already have the value for A. So our value for A is 233, oops, 233.90 meters, then sine 110 degrees. So arrow na naman to indicate yung breakdown ng sine 110. That is 0.939692. Then multiply them. Our final answer is 219.79 meters. So that's the answer to the question. Again, do not give me any description. One sentence, two sentences, kahit one paragraph. I'm already good with this solution. Okay na jud ko ana. Please do not forget to cancel out the units if kailangan ng cancellation because I really adhere to the rule na if there's no cancellation, that's minus one. So that's what you experience with yung first natin na assignment quiz. Now let's proceed with number 3. In number 3, you have in there a displacement vector located in the first quadrant has a magnitude of 50 kilometers and has an x component of 44 kilometers. Find the first y component of the vector and its direction from the x-axis. So meron tayong given na first quadrant. Okay, this 50 kilometer is A. This x component, it's AX. We are looking for AY and the twist is the theta. So nag-iba na ito. Theta na ang hinahanap. So first thing that we're gonna do, wait lang, may space pa ba? I guess we can make use of this one. So let's start with the given first. Given is A is equals to 50 kilometers. Ano yung isa? AX, 44 kilometers. We are looking for AY. Do not forget to write the unknown, ha? AY, this one. Then, iyahang theta. So if we are gonna check our given, 'di ba? You have there given tayo ng A, tsaka AX, unknown si AY at tsaka si theta. However, if we are gonna use AY is equals to A sine theta, do you think we will be able to arrive at the answer? The answer is no. Why? Unknown si AY, given si AX, A, which is good. However, we do not know the sine theta. Meaning to say, this formula should not be used in finding the AY. So, ano na lang yung formula na gagamitin natin? So, we are left with the other option if we're gonna go back. Asa to? Okay. We have here ito. ito yung naiwan na pwede nating gamitin. So if you can see, si A ay given, which is good. AX ay given, which is good. AY is the unknown. So this is the only formula that we can use na pwede natin siyang i-manipulate so that mahanap natin si AY. So balik tayo. So we have here, we are left using this. A is equals to the square root of AX squared plus AY squared. So mag-derive man ta. So that's kinda big problem. So what you're gonna do is, kailangan mawala mo na yan si square root. So anong dapat gawin? Multiply both sides or square both sides. So pag square yan siya, mawala yan siya. So we are left here with a squared is equals to ax squared plus ay squared. Next, we are just looking for ay. So ano yung gagawin? I-rearrange ko siya ha, but yung gumagalaw lang talaga is si AX. So, si AY ang matira. So, AY squared. So, itong si AX squared ay ita-transpose, joke lang, ita-transpose natin to the other side. So, that will become A squared minus AX squared. So if you're not able to follow, that's the purpose of this video, is for you to rewind the part na ako na siyang i-discuss. So we have here next. This is not yet our final formula since ay squared siya. Dapat i-square root siya. So square both sides. So square, mawala yan siya. We are left with our derived formula na ay is equals to the square root of a squared minus ax squared. Ma'am, kailangan pa ba ipakita ang derivation? Yes na yes. You need to get used in showing to me the derivation because in college, sige mo pangayon, ana. So at least kabalo na mo ang saon. So next, nag-derive pa ta. We will start answering the question. So I will just continue this one since naka may space. So we have there, meron tayong given, no? A is 50 kilometers, so that's 50 kilometers, okay, squared minus our AX is 44 kilometers squared. Okay, 44 kilometers squared. So, ito yung kinda easy na part, pero it depends on what kind of scientific calculator you have. So, dito ta sa isa ka easy na part na diretso ha. So, you can input this one in your scientific calculator. So, if diretso naman siya input, that's just square root, 50 squared minus 44 squared. The answer that we are expecting to have is 23.75 kilometer. So, since sayon man kay niinyong part sa mga cycle na maka-answer ani, I want you to show the cancellation of units by ito, cross out yung square root. Ito, mawawala yan siya. Yan, mawawala yan siya. So that you will end up with kilometer. This is the first one. Again, it depends on what kind of scientific calculator you have. So if you have the scientific calculator na dili good siya ma-fraction or like dash dash lang good or kasi tawag ato murag gamay na L ang iyahang symbol sa iyahang fraction, this is what you're gonna do. Medyo mahaba lang sa inyo na part, but it's okay pa rin. But we will decide ha. So, kani siya, i-arrow na ko ni siya diri ha. So, padayon na to. So, we have there, i-continue ko to ha. So, instead of going directly with the final answer, you really need to show to me you can write pala, sorry. You can write the square root. So, we have there 50 squared. That's 2,500 km squared minus 44 squared. That's 1936. So 1936 km squared. Kilometer squared. Then, I think kaya na ni sa inyong cycle. Pero sige na lang, ipadayon na lang nato. Gi. Then, we have to deduct 2,500 with 1936. Answer is square root of 564 kilometer squared. Then, that's the time you can have your final answer na square na lang siya. So, square root of 564, we still have the same answer na 23.75 kilometer. So, still, we have the same answer. We still arrive with the same answer, pero nadungagan lang mo og two steps. So, either of the two, just find your find your person asa dira inyuhang bet. Just do not forget not to cancel out the unit ha. We already have our AY. The question is, paano yung theta? So if you can still remember, sige, ipakita na lang nako. Kay you cannot remember man daw. So we have your kanig yung shiftan. So this is the moment we're gonna use the theta. So balik tayo dito. So our formula is, di rin na lang nako ibutang ha. So theta is equals to tan reverse tan ay over ax. Next step is to substitute. Just write tan again, -1. Ano yung ay? Ay natin is 23.75 kilometers. Our AX is 44 kilometers. Before mag-proceed sa pag-answer, unaha sa pag-cancel so that you will never forget about it, cancel out the kilometer. Then, ana na diri kay di na magkasya. Our theta is 28.36 degrees. Then box your final answer. Okay, check in your scientific calculator ha. Dapat shift tan. Oh, anyway, kanina put ang problem no. Again, may mga scientific calculators man good na. Pwede good siya, madiretso. However, nalang siya mga dungag like mga parentheses, mga unsa ba man ang style. It's up to you to discover on how to do that one. Oh, yeah, up to you na siya. So, kani siya, this is the first way, diretso na. The other way will be, is to divide 23.75 with 44. So, ang answer diri is 0.5397 539772. I-6 lang nako kay 6 man to kaganina. Kay namang ko'y cases na magdaot ta sa decimal places. So 539772. Then click shift tan 0.539772. Answer is okay. The same na tag-answer. Na 28 point, i-round off man si 35 kay 8 ang sunod niya, 36. So again ha, lahat ng mga angle-angle or mga divide, 6 na siya diraa. So that we will have the same answer. Alright? So that's it for this one. Kaning assignment kaya, di na siya assignment since nag-different man ta og style. So that's for 2.3. Now let's proceed with the last part. We have in there vector addition using the analytical method. So as what I've said earlier, yung first na ginawa natin during face-to-face classes, it's the graphical method wherein you need to plot everything. Then connect lang ang starting line, ang starting point to end point. Whereas for this one, there's no need for us to plot it, but we are gonna make use of numbers or like tables to show everything. So here is the pattern that you're gonna follow, but dili ka siya masabtan kung basahon lang siya, so we will apply it later on. But first, I'm gonna read it to you. Number 1, determine whether the angles given were measured from the positive x-axis. So gaya ng sinasabi ko kanina, check muna if it's coming from the positive x-axis. Number 2, resolve each vector into its x and y components. So in other words, meaning to resolve, you need to find their x and y components. So we have there the formula: ax is equals to a cosine theta, ay is equals to a sine theta. Take note, kapag y, sine; kapag x, cosine. So para dili kay siya ano, ang ginagamit mo guna ko na mnemonics ani is I just memorized the word shiny. So in the word shiny, you already have there the sign and then the word letter na y. So meaning to say, kapag shiny, sign, y siya na axis. Then meaning to say cosine is x. Then number three, add all the x components together. Do the same for all the y components. That's why mangangailangan tayo ng table for this one later on. Number four, calculate the magnitude of the vectors using the Pythagorean theorem. So, hanapin yung R niya. So, meron ito, this one, kanina siya. R is equals to the square root of Rx squared plus Ry squared. Ma'am, nga nang R? Why not A? A mo to natunan. So, katong A, maulan to siya sa mga cases nga only one. One lang ba ito siya na vector ha? But for this one, it consists of two or three or more vectors plotted on the same murag ano sa tawagan na organized on one table. Kaya R na lang ang gigamit. Then, same pa rin yung theta. Calculate the angle using the inverse tangent function. So, the reverse tan, so Ry over Rx. Take note ha, Ry. So, meaning to say, katong total na ni y component over sa total na ni x component. Okay, that's it for that one. So, let's apply it with kani mga practice problems. So first one, diretso na ta sa ni siya average manata ni average round na dayon ta. Kaya ang easy, very easy na gid siya. Ang average magud kay mo diretso na siya og tackle sa easy na part. So let's have okay, a person covered three displacement vectors as follows. A is equals to 150 meters north, B is equals to 220 meters, 15 degrees north of east, and C is equals to 350 meters, 25 degrees south of east. What is his resultant displacement? Diba? Ang simple-simple ng tanong, ang haba-haba ng solution for this one. You will know later on. So in this kind of problem, basta makita gud mo aning what is his resultant displacement tapos ang ana ang arrangement, automatic you need to create a table. Not necessarily lagyan mo ng mga borders yung table, basta lang meron kang column for distance, meron kang column for distance, meron kang column for angle. Lagay mo dyan ha, angle. Then, meron kang 4x component. So, kumbaga, kaniyang mga title that I need to see in your paper if you're gonna have a quiz. Then, y component. Okay, let's start plotting it into a table. Sabi dyan, A. So, lagay mo lang A. Hindi ko nalagyan ng arrow ha. Dapat nani siya yung mga arrow diri pero kapoy na mo butang dira. So that's A is equals to ito 150 meters. Sa isa na sa nato. So sa 150 meters daw north. So magbalik na pud ta sa tuang direction compass ana. So ang north, how many angles does it have? The answer is 90. So, theta is equals to 90 degrees. O, yan na ng x and y. Humanon sa natong uban. Next, for our B. So, dapat may ganyan na sign. That's 220 meters. What's the angle daw? Sabi niya, 15 degrees north of east. So, that's just like from east papuntang north. So 15 degrees. Do we need to subtract it to 90 or add it to 90? The answer is no, kasi it started with 0. So theta 15 degrees. Next, C. So si C daw ay 350 meters. So that's 25 degrees south of east, meaning daw from east papuntang south. So that's 25 degrees. The question is, ano daw yung degrees niya starting sa positive na axis or positive x-axis? So that's from here to here. So all you have to do is to deduct. So theta is 360 mo na siyang pinaka-simple ha kay nagikan naman gud siya diri asa galing siya dito sa may is na part. It's like if you're gonna convert it into a pie, so tinanggalan niya na starting from the bottom. So all you have to do is to deduct it from its whole. So the whole value is 360 degrees minus 25 degrees. The answer is, oh, di tayo magkasya, 335 degrees. So we have there 335 degrees. Isibugsan ako sa x component. Okay. So nasibog na siya. Now next, ano yung hinanap? Okay, C. We end up with C. So, kailangan daw nating hanapin yung resultant displacement. For us to get the resultant displacement, all we have to do is to fill in the details. So, we need to find the x component of A, x component of B, x component of C, y component of A, y component of B, y component of C, add them all x, add them all y. Pero ano pa lang siya, introductory part. So, let's find it here. So, ang ating x component, so we are using the formula na a is equals to, ay, sorry, ax is equals to a cosine theta. No need to write the formula ha. Diretso na ni siya answer diri ah. So, in your scientific calculator, kindly try to input in there 150 cosine 90. The answer should be 0. 220 cosine 15. The answer should be 212 oy di siya dili siya matulong sa ako. 212.50 meters basta sa second na. Then last, 350 cosine 335. The answer is 317.21 meters. Please take note na kapag sa mga x and y components tayo, magra-round off tayo into two decimal places ha, para lang magkasinabot ta. But for me to make sure, i-verify sa nako kung nag-round off ba ko o wala. Murag wala pa ko kakita nga nag-round off ko. Ah, yeah. I rounded it off kasi itong 317.20 lang siya so naging 0.21. Okay? Proceed tayo kay y. Si y ang ginagamit ng formula ay ay is equals to a sine theta. No need to write the formula pero pwede nyo ibutang para dili po mawala. So, you input in your calculator, that's 150 sine 90. The answer should be 150 meters. Next, 220 sine 15. The answer should be 56.94 meters. Next, 350 sine 335. The answer should be negative 147.92 meters. If dili parehas, usaba. Balika. What went wrong? Why didn't we have the same answer? Okay? After that, lagyan ko lang ng ganito na line. Ay, hiwi. Hiwi. Basta straight na siya sa inyong pananaw na lang. Para malaman natin na i-total natin siya. So, ito na yung Rx. So, in your Rx, all you have to do is to add them. Answer is 529.71 meters. Then, itong RY, that's 59.02 meters. Now, we're not yet done. Wa pa jud natubag ang pangutana nga, what is his resultant displacement? So, diri na ma-insert tong R is equals to square root of rx squared plus ry squared. So, substitute square root of 529.71 meters squared plus ry, that's 59.02 meters squared. Okay. Sa mga cycle, same gapon ka ganina, we have two types of cycle. One cycle that can directly input this one and find the answer. So let's try muna yung ganong klaseng cycle. So if you're gonna input it directly, the expected answer should be 532.99 meters. Okay, 0.99 meters. And then, forgot. Do not forget to cross out the square root and then the 2. Sa mga hindi pwede ng ganito na side, so we will have this part. Ano ba yan? 529 square root of, wait lang, yan ang square root. So, 529.71 squared, answer is kani good siya kay kinda tricky man gud ni siya. So, copy everything na lang. So, 280,592.6841. Then, meters squared plus 59.02 again. If you square this one, copy everything. So, 3483.3604. So, square root nila. Basta, square root na siya. Then, I'm gonna add it with 280,592.6841. Answer is 2841 sorry, 0 pala. 076.0445 meters squared. Square root nila. Then, that's square. Okay. Square root niya na 284,076.0445. So while I'm doing this I'm expecting that while you are watching this video nagaano pud mo no. Ga-cycle pud mo no kay para makabisado ninyo. So still we will have the same answer na 532.99 meters. Ang key aniha so that we will have the same answer is mali. Lagyan pala ng RY yan. R. The key for this one for us to have the same answer is you need to copy everything. And please do not forget to cancel out, cancel out. Okay? So, nani-share ka partner na hindi na kailangan i-state good sa problem. Diba? Ang tanong lang is what is his resultant displacement? Automatic ka partner na niya si what angle. Kay if you're gonna plot this one, you need to know anong angle ang aking gagawin. So, we have there shift, reverse tan, ry over rx. So, tan -1, ry natin ay 59.02 meters over our RX is 529.71 meters. Kayo na bala mag-divide dyan. Basta, we will have the same answer na 6.36. 6.36 degrees. So, dalawa yung sagot na i-expect. After all the solution that you've made, dalawa yung i-expect natin na sagot. We have here this angle and then itong resultant displacement. So, that's for the analytical method. Medyo mahaba siya. Proceed tayo sa next. Number 2. So, in number 2, you have in there, wait lang, 4 sled dogs are pulling a 1,000 kilogram load. Sled dog A is pulling the load at 20 degrees, 10 degrees north of east. Sled dog B is pulling the load at 55 newtons, 70 degrees north of east. Sled dog C is pulling the load at 45 newtons, 33 degrees north of west, while sled dog D exerts 30 newtons at a direction of 80 degrees south of west. What is the resultant force acting on the load? So for this one, take note lang tayo na apat na ang ating gagawin. Same pattern pa rin tayo ha, pero upat na siya. So, ano yung same pattern? So, magsulat ta diri og distance. So, we're gonna write distance. Sige, dire-diretso na lang nako siya. Another pattern na naman. So, diretso tabot ang distance. So, lagyan natin A. Label it A kay para di ka malibog. Sled dog A, ang sa daw to? 20 newtons. Then, ang angle daw niya ay theta is 10 degrees north of east. Wait lang, magdraw sa ta. So, north of east. So, from east going north, so pag ganyan, so 10 degrees. Do we need to add or subtract? The answer is no, kasi gikan na siya sa 0 degrees sa east. Then, ano yon? Sled dog B. Sled dog B, 55 newtons, 70 degrees north of east. So again, galing siya kung north of east, ganyan ha. So 70 degrees na siya. Wala nang minus, wala nang addition. Next, sled dog C. That's 45 newtons. So 33 degrees north of west. So from west daw, papunta siyang north and that is 33 degrees. The question is, how many is its angle? How many? What is its angle coming from 0 degrees? So pag ganyan. So that's 180 degrees plus 35 degrees. Ay, 35, mali. 33. Ay, times sa. North of west, mali ko direction. Okay, I got it wrong. Ulit. Sa ganito, sled dog C is north of west. So, mali kog direction. So, it's from west going to north daw. So, that's 33 degrees. So, pila daw from east papunta dyan. So, that should not be plus. Dapat minus na siya. Okay, for this, kanik ni sa angle, it's kind of comprehension skill siya. So, kayo na bahala analyze giun sa pagkuha nga ng plus nga ng minus. Basta ang i-think lang ninyo, dapat ang angle is mag-start sa 0 degrees. So, kani siya, para makuha ang final answer, that's 180 degrees minus 33 degrees. Answer is 147. 147 degrees. Then, let's have sled dog C, 30 newtons. Then, ang angle niya ay 80 degrees south of west. Ah, dire na dito kaganina. So, south of west, from west going to south, that's 80 degrees. So, it's more likely 180 degrees plus 80. So, 180 degrees plus 80 degrees, the answer is 260 degrees. Okay, next column for the x component. X component, take note, that's ax is equals to a cosine theta. So, diretso na nako ha. Dapat inyong answer kay anipod. So, in a cosine theta, that's 20 cosine 10. The answer is 19.70 newtons. 55 cosine 70, the answer is 18.81 newtons. 45 cosine 147, the answer is negative 37.74 newtons. 30 cosine 260, the answer is negative 5.21 newtons. Then, pwede pa diretso na siya add. So, we have there the Rx na negative 4.44 newtons. Then, our Y component. So, that's AY is equals to A sine theta. So, Y component. So, that's 20 sine 10. Answer is 3.47 newtons. Again, get your cycle and please follow. Try to input to solve if you have the same answer. Then 55 sine 18, ay mali, sine 70, the answer is 51.68 newtons. Then 45 sine 147, the answer is 24.51 newtons. Then 30 sine 260, the answer is negative 29.54 newtons. Then i-total natin sila, meron tayong RY na naga ay 50 radii, 50.12 newtons. Next, we have R is equals to the square root of Rx squared plus Ry squared. So two ways I'm gonna show you. Sige na lang oy, for the sake of the example. But when you have your quiz ha, just choose one way lang jud. So substitute muna natin. Rx natin is negative 4.44 newtons tapos square plus our Ry that's 50.12 newtons tapos square. So square root nila. So first way is to directly input it in your scientific calculator. Do not forget to cross out the squared and then the 2. Then we have our final answer na R is equals to 50.32 newtons. That's the first way. The second way will be like this. Ano lang sa nato? So we have ilan na? 4.44 squared. That's 19.7136 Newton squared plus 50.12 squared. That's 2512.0144 Newton squared. So, square root nila, add natin silang dalawa, 19.7136. So, we have there the square root the square root, 2,531.7, oops, 728, 728 Newton squared. So, square root, cancel out, cancel out. Ang square niya ay 2531.728 50.38. Ha? Ha? Naitag answer times sa. Mali, wait lang. Mali kog input. 2531.728. Okay, 50.32. So, R natin ay... Wait. So, our R is 50.32 newtons. Again, choose your fight. Which one is the most appropriate one for your scientific calculator? Is it this one? Can your calculator do it this way? Or your calculator needs to be done this way? Okay? But we're not yet done. Napabay ni partner, no. So that's the reverse tan. So reverse tan ry over rx. So reverse tan ry natin ay 50.12 newtons over Rx, that's negative 0.44 newtons. So, cancel out. Diretso na final answer ha, kay na-tiring na ang sock. Ang answer kay negative 84.94. Sige na lang, go na lang taan ng negative 84.94. Kinam ko na siya other way. Pwede nimo na siyang i-positive. Pwede mo na siyang igikan siya from what we call this from east. So para dili na kayo hagos sa inyong part kidaghan na kayo magbuhaton. So kung unsay mo gawa sa cycle, negative man or positive, that's it na for the angle. Okay? So that's the end on this one. Please make sure that you have written everything, you have watched everything, and do not attend my class if you did not watch this video kay mag-start kita sa quiz. Makaingon jud mo nga magbagong buhay na jud ko pag ma-attend kag klase nga wala ka nag-watch ani. So I guess that's it. I hope you learned something, and if not, natay ginatawag na playback button. Okay? So goodbye everyone and see ya during our class.